Hello there. Thought I'd just get in touch with you tonight. How you doing, folks? Okay. Just come off the stage. A bit wet at one of these gigs, you know, out in the country. Some fucking island somewhere. Anyway, it went well. Pay was good. But rust has set in now. Anyway, I hope you kids are doing alright. Yeah, enjoying yourselves. Kicking up the traces and all that. Yeah, I bet you are and all. Anyway, time to go to bed, getting on a bit now. Got to take it easy. Another gig tomorrow night. Never ends, does it? Eh? See you, folks. Have a nice time.